Hello, today you're looking at a 500 amp 12 volt rectifier brought to you by Lanco. This rectifier weighs in at 390 pounds. It is 25 inches long, 30 inches wide, and 43 inches tall. As you can see, this rectifier is air-cooled. It is three-phase, and it is wired in at 480 volts. The input amps on this rectifier are 12. It comes with a remote here. We'll turn it on for you so you can hear it run. See the voltage goes up in the amps. Fan kicks on. You can see the waveform here. If you're interested in this rectifier, give us a call, 616-887-8300, or you can always visit us online at lanco-corp.com. Have a great day.